Let's take up multiple choice questions based on biomolecules. The pyrimidine bases present in DNA are cytosine and adenine, cytosine and guanine, cytosine and thymine, cytosine and uracil. Correct answer is C part. Cytosine and thymine are pyridine bases and adenine and guanine are and uracil are purine bases. The term anomers of glucose refer to isomers of glucose that differ in configuration in carbon 1 and 4, a mixture of D-glucose and L-glucose, and enantiomers of glucose. Isomers of glucose that differ in configuration in C1 carbon is the correct answer. So D part is the correct answer. Enantiomers of glucose are dextrorotatory glucose and levorotatory glucose. All monosaccharides oxidize, condense, or reduce Tollens reagent. Correct answer is reduced Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent is mild oxidizing agent which oxidizes aldehyde group to carboxylic acid and itself gets reduced to silver mirror. So all monosaccharides are reducing sugar. They reduce Tollens reagent to form silver mirror. C part is the correct answer. Match the list 1 with list 2 and pick the correct matching from the codes given below. List 1 contains thiamine, insulin, pepsin, phospholipids. Codes are given A part, B part, C part, D part and E part. Correct answer is E part. Why? Because thiamine is pyrimidine base. Thiamine is vitamin B1. Insulin is hormone. Pepsin is enzyme. And phospholipid is cell wall component. So correct answer is E part. Which of the following exist as Zwitter ions? Para-aminophenol, salicylic acid, sulfanylic acid, ethanolamine. Correct answer is sulfanylic acid. It is para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid. So sulfonic acid will break down into sulfonic acid. H ions will be removed from it and amino group will get protonated. So one end will be positively charged, other end will be negatively charged, which is called Zwitter ion. So sulfanylic acid, C part, exists as Zwitter ion. Insulin regulates the metabolism of minerals, amino acids, glucose, vitamins. Correct answer is glucose. And if we have deficiency of insulin, there will be more blood glucose level leading to diabetes. Monomer of nucleic acid is nucleotides, nucleosides, amino acids, carboxylic acid. Correct answer is nucleotides. That is why the nucleic acids can also be called as polynucleotides. A nanopeptide contains 10, 8, 9, 18. Correct answer is 8 peptide linkage. It contains 8 peptide linkage and 9 amino acids. That's why it is called nanopeptide. A mixture of amylose and amylopectin is called lactose, starch, cellulose and sucrose. Correct answer is starch. Starch is made up of two components, amylose which is linear, amylopectin which is branched. Which of the following indicates open chain structure of glucose? Penta-style derivative of glucose, cyanohydrin formation with HCN, reaction with Pelling solution or reaction with Tollens reagent. Correct answer is penta-style formation of derivative of glucose shows that it has open structure also. Which of the following hexose will form the same OSA zone when treated with excess of phenylhydrazine? D-glucose, D-fructose and D-galactose. D-glucose, D-fructose, D-mannose. D-glucose, D-mannose, D-galactose. D-fructose, D-mannose, D-galactose. Correct answer is B part. D-glucose, D-fructose and D-mannose form same phenylhydrazone by reacting with 3 moles of phenylhydrazine, so they form same OSA zone. The secondary structure of protein refers to fixed configuration of the polypeptide backbone, alpha helical backbone, hydrophobic interactions, sequence of alpha amino acids. Correct answer is B part, alpha helical backbone or alpha helix structure and beta pleated structure refer to secondary structure. Here the correct answer is B part. Polypeptides having molecular weights above 10,000 are known as proteins, hormones, amino acids, terminal amino acids. Correct answer is protein. High molecular weight polypeptides more than 10,000 are called proteins. Which of the following biomolecules act as specific catalyst in the biological reaction, carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, enzymes. Correct answer is enzymes. They are biological catalysts and specific in their action. They catalyze specific biochemical reactions. Pick out the statement which is not true. Tetrazine is harmful edible color. BHT is antioxidant. Butylated hydroxytoluene. Halitame is an artificial sweetener. Sodium alkyl sulfate is a cationic detergent. Correct answer is D part. It is actually an anionic detergent. This topic you will be studying in the next chapter. Which one is not constituent of nucleic acids? Uracil, guanidine, phosphoric acid, ribose sugar. Correct answer is guanidine. Guanine is present, not guanidine. Which of the following sets consist of only essential amino acid? Alanine, tyrosine, cysteine, leucine, lysine, tryptophan, alanine, glutamine, lysine, leucine, proline, glycine. Correct answer is B part. Leucine, lysine, tryptophan are the sets of essential amino acid which must be part of our diet because they are not synthesized by our body. A diabetic person carries a packet of glucose with him always because glucose increases the blood sugar level slowly. Glucose reduces the blood sugar level. Glucose increases the blood sugar level almost instantaneously. Glucose reduces the blood sugar level slowly. Correct answer is C part. Glucose increases the blood sugar level almost instantaneously. pH4 glycine exists as. These are the possible structure. pH4 means acidic pH. Acidic pH means protonation will take place, and here protonation will take place and carboxylic acid will not ionize. So B part is the correct answer. Which one of the following is correct representation of peptide bond? This is not. This is correct representation. This is not correct. So correct answer is B part. CONH bond is called peptide bond.